everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I'm going to show you what I've made for my swap partner for the Junk Journals in Oz group. Excuse me. You'll be watching this once Anne has received it. So, but I just thought I'd give you a quick glimpse of what I've made. So, a while back I showed you the altered puzzle pieces. So Anne's theme that she requested was, she sent me a few different ideas. So I've gone with the shabby chic. So this is the little altered puzzle piece I made. Just plain on the back. So that's that. And then I've made a little folio. Maybe I'll zoom you down. Hold on a sec. That might be okay. A little folio. So it's got a little pull out there, little tag, and that's got acetate. A little acetate window. And then that just... So it's got a little bit of lace and a little staple to hold the lace on. So that just slides in there. And then we open it up and there's stuff in every pocket. So I'll show you the layout of the folio first. So you've got a flip pocket there. That flips in the middle. You've got a pocket in there, then that flips out at the back. So let's go through all the pockets. So I've made a little mini file folder and I've just embellished it with a faux stamp and some cheesecloth, and in the folder is just some little bits of blank ephemera that Anne can use. That makes the whale tail tabs, so that's in there. And then if we open this one, I've put some bingo cards, so 3 of those. They can be used for journaling or decorative elements for something that Anne may be working on, so that goes in there. Got a little vellum pocket, and in the pocket is a Polaroid type photo and another one, just a smaller one, and then some tags. So I've got two of the plain, and then one that I've put a tab on the top, so then Anne can decorate them how she likes. And then a little swirly clip on there, and then I've made a policy envelope. So you just open that up, and in the envelope I've made some buttons, so Anne can actually use these buttons. I've just stitched them on and she'll be able to snip those away if she wants to. And then I've just added a little label at the top. And then these just go back in here somehow. Why won't that go in there? What are we catching on? There we go. And that closes and wraps around there, and I've used little brads for that. And then we flip that over and we have just the journaling card with a tab. So it's both different on both sides. And that goes into there. And then I've made a belly band which holds a little mini zine. I haven't decorated this, I've left this for Anne to do. So that's got a side pocket, that's got a top pocket, that's got a side pocket, and that's got a top pocket. So I've just left that plain for Anne to decorate. And this just slides in under here, and the belly band holds it in place. And then over on this side again we've got another little mini file folder, and in there is some blank stamps, some digi stamps that I've printed, and some tickets. So those go in there, and it's decorated with a little bit of cheesecloth and a sticker. So that, and the word sweet up the top, can you see that? There we go. So that's in that folder, that pocket on the side there. And then when we open this out, we've got the same elements as in this one, so they're both the same. And then this back pocket, we've got another little envelope, and then in here is some little journaling cards. So they're all very sweet. And that goes in that back pocket, and I've just decorated it with a bit of lace on the side. That goes into there. Okay, and then on the back, now you've seen that, and then yeah, that's it. So that is the little folio that I've made for Anne, and the little altered puzzle piece for her to hang maybe in her craft room or wherever she likes. So I hope you enjoyed that video today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.